Hello! Today we are solving the problem Greatest Common Divisor. First we have to find the minimum and the maximum number of the array, and then we have to find the number that could divide these two numbers equally. First up, we have brute force approach. We look through array and find the minimum and the maximum number. Now we loop from 1 till the maximum number. For each iteration, we check whether the minimum is divisible by current number so as the maximum number. If the mod is double equal to 0, then we got our number. Now we have to find the maximum of those numbers. For that we have the external variable result and we keep the track of the maximum number, and at the end we simply return the result. You can simply use Euclidean algorithm. Let's say your minimum number is 15 and maximum number is 50. We do 15 divided by 50 and 15 goes 3 times into 50, so we get 5 as a remainder. Now we can use this remainder as a divisor for previous divisor. So 15 goes here, again 5 goes 3 times into 15 and we get result as a 0. When we get result as a 0, the current divisor, the current minimum is your result. And if you cross check 5 is the greatest common divisor for 50 as well as 15. The minimum is your divisor and the maximum is your dividend. We need to store minimum into a temporary variable because we are going to use that as a divisor into next iteration. Now we find the remainder. If the remainder is 0, then simply return the result. Else we are going to get ready for next iteration. The current remainder is going to be the divisor for next iteration and the previous minimum number is going to be the dividend for the next iteration. And we perform these steps till the remainder is 0. Else simply return 1. Brute force runs on big of max, whereas Euclidean runs on big of log max. That's why it is very faster than the brute force approach.